Hello. Today we are going to talk about the most important and very neglected aspect of hair health, that is gut microbiome and hair health. Hi, I'm Dr. G. Revanth. I'm a dermatologist and a hair transplant surgeon. I have a 10-year experience in the field of hair restoration, and I practice in Hyderabad, Dr. Revanth Hair Clinic in Banjara Hills, and in Nizamabad as Hira Skin and Hair Clinic. So this topic has not been dealt adequately anywhere in the entire YouTube or social media or everywhere, because the data what we have right now is not so much. But generally, practically speaking, if you look at the various research that has been going on about the gut microbiome and also about the hair aspects, you can definitely link both of them, and you can definitely see the relationship of how hair health is equivalent to the gut microbe. So hair is always about healthy body and healthy mind. So when you have a healthy body, obviously your hair will be healthy, and there will be less hair fall and good hair growth. So how does gut microbiome affect the hair health? So as we all know how important gut microbiome is for our nutrition, digestion, hormonal balance and immune regulation. So all these aspects do play a very important and direct role for hair regrowth, because our hair is affected by our nutrition. If there is any immune dysregulation, there are a lot of autoimmune conditions that affect the hair, that is alopecia areata, scarring alopecias, and all the conditions which are directly linked to our immune system. And definitely, if there is a problem of nutritional malabsorption, you can see that in the hair in the form of many disorders that have less carbohydrates, proteins and vitamins in our diet definitely will directly impact the hair in the form of fragility of the hair, increased graying of the hair and increased breakage and fall of the hair. So how do we improve our gut health, or how do we improve the gut microbiome thereby increasing the quality of your hair? So one such important aspect is to avoid all the food that actually damages the good bacteria in our gut, that is the complex sugars and and junk food and oils that are not conducive to our gut health. And our gut microbe depends mainly on the fiber content of our foods, and there are certain probiotic and prebiotic food that you can take in your diet to improve the gut microbiome, thereby directly impacting the health of your hair. So what are the probiotic food that you can take? That is the yogurt, the buttermilk, and you can use kimchi. These are the important probiotic foods. And prebiotic food, you can take bananas, asparagus, garlic and onions, and so these are the prebiotic foods what you can take. So by avoiding all the food that damage our gut bacteria and taking the food which improve the gut bacteria, we can increase the good bacteria that we have, thereby increasing the overall gut microbiome and directly impacting the health of the hair and decreasing all the problems concerned with the hair. Thank you for hearing.